reminiscing, get nostalgia. So yeah, it reminds me just enjoying life. I've kind of forgot you could just have fun in life, you know. You work and you forget you can have fun. So I'm enjoying life today, like that boat.
Morning guys, so what's up? Today the plan is today I'm going to take you to Venice. Yes, Venice in Los Angeles. I'm about to reach that place and I'm going to take you to the beach. Yes, today the whole video is about beach. Venice Beach, Santa Monica, cool, right? So this is the Venice of Los Angeles. Interesting. This is cool. This place is really good. You have beaches. Of course, beach is not so far actually, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. But you have water. This may be a salt water actually. Wow, interesting. That's it guys, that's the Venice Canal. Whoa, so interesting. Wow. Yo, this is the Venice Beach guys. Let's go and explore more. Let's go into this ferry, jetty, whatever you call this. This is the interesting part of it, this guys. It's like a completely white sand. Wow, check out the waves, man. It's so huge. By the way, today the date is October 4th, 2021. Yes, October 4th, 2021. The clouds are so good, man. So good day. So like some lifeguards, people in the sea, surfers. This is what I want to catch. It's a surfer's paradise. Wow, that boat looks good. Hey, what's up? How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are you from New York? Are you from LA?
No, I'm from Los Angeles.
Cool.
Yeah, I like it out here. I used to come out here when I was a child and fish. So I'm reminiscing, get nostalgia. So yeah, it reminds me just enjoying life. I've kind of forgot you could just have fun in life, you know. You work and you forget you can have fun. So I'm enjoying life today, like that boat. Check it out.
Wow, that's really good. You know, sometimes it's good to see from the other side rather than be in the boat because it's very expensive.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, because what they don't get to see, we can see, right? That's the whole life, man.
Or you can get a boat or rent a boat.
Oh, man. It's very expensive.
But you know, you want to treat yourself once in a while, you know.
Yeah, if somebody wants to take me in the boat, please call me. Yeah. I'll do some video for you guys, buddy.
See, that's how you might get in the boat.
You're right.
By being a cameraman.
Cool. What's your name, sir?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
My name is Sean.
All right, Sean. Good.
Nice meeting you.
All right.
Wow, this place is awesome. Oh, this is the place, guys. This is the place. Ooh, this is so awesome. Actually, it's really good to come early in the morning. You know, woo. And I'm like full of energy. I have to still eat my breakfast. Wow. This is a pretty long beach actually. So from Venice till Santa Monica it's connected. You can just walk on the beach, man. It's so good actually. It's very interesting. And you can see a lot of stuff happening here. Yeah, it's pretty early in the morning. Anyhow, things are happening. The city is full of expression, full of freedom, man. That's the fun of it actually. Yes, rolling. And you can turn around. I got it. This is going to be an opening shot.
With this thing, bro.
I never got your face. Alright, thanks, buddy. Thank you. It's so scary. little better.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, that's a banyan tree. This is the first time I'm seeing out of India. This is awesome. Cool. So you take care of the dogs? Wow.
I'm the caretaker for them.
Uh-huh.
That's their social hours, exercise.
Okay. Really good.
Yeah.
They
Where
follow.
you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, from India.
Yes. It's like a small island in India. Wow.
So you not came from the United States. I saw you came from the different part of LA. Actually, you came from far away from LA.
You thought I'm from LA? Oh yeah. I don't know. Maybe I was supposed to born here, right? You know.
Yeah. How long are you gonna be in the States?
Maybe 1 month for the time being.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So have you been to Venice before?
Oh no, I came yesterday.
You just came in yesterday.
Yesterday to Venice.
Oh wow.
Hey Dixie, I'm here. I got it. That's it guys, this is the end of this episode. So I'm going to downtown LA. I may have to catch a bus or something. Oh, it's pretty far. Whew, that was awesome, man. This is good. Whew. Ari, where is the flight, buddy? Okay. Run.